Danke bafethu. Asibuyeleni kuma-highlight we-Orbit College versus i-Kaizer Chiefs la bashaye khona 4 goals. Siyabona lana i-good play from uShabalala uya-connect-a nama-player and then bakwazi ukudifenda abafana be-Orbit, but already first, second, cabanga kusaseyama-seconds uvele is-driving forward, uyambona ukuthi uyafuna ngempela ukulifaka laphana phakathi. So i-player important kakhulu in terms of ukuya phambili nge-speed sakhe. Bad defense, bad clearance from i-Kaizer Chiefs, an opportunity to shoot, good save from uPeterson. Izinto ezimenza currently abe one of the best goalkeepers noma bemtesta, but he's always the way. A good combination-ke lana, good play from uVilakazi bafethu to Thabiso Munyane, square ball lushaya lihamba phansi, connecta nama-player kahle, lushaya kahle umfana laphana uShabalala. Bonisa i-composure ne-ability yakhe ukuthi uyakwazi ukuwasha amagoli whenever is given an opportunity to play. Look at this play from uVilakazi, u-anticipate i-run kaThabiso Munyane, Thabiso Munyane luskwera kahle lihamba phansi, hhayi ukuthi lihambise phezulu because of uyabona ukuthi okay kunama-player amaningi laphana angakwazi ukulicleara, but a good chance phansi, goal. U-Ighodaro lana uhlakaniphile, is able to draw defenders enze ngathi uyolithatha, but-ke i-opportunity ihlala kuphi? uShabalala. Nanga again uThabiso Munyane bafethu is driving forward, connector noShabalala again, vele bayi square ball, defense, clearance-ke, not powerful clearance again, vele bayi siyambona lana, he was busy, nale ball elifaka u-cross laluthola u-Ighodaro outside, but into ebalulekile ukuthi they are able to connect, yabo, bayakwazi ukukrossa laphana kaningi. Ucross ibhola lathola u-Ighodaro. A good cross, by the way. Ighodaro vele uyadla ngalamabhola lawa. Again, ikhona yelokhunjana ye-Orbit College, but Kaizer Chiefs, they were able to track by defender kalula. A good pass again for uVilakazi. Vilakazi, bad decision, by the way. Akakwazi ukudlala ngenyawo la. Nayi into ebulala ama-play isikhathi esiningi udlala ngenyawo elilodwa, too predictable, makangalilethanga kule nyawo leli. A good defense from i-Kaizer Chiefs. I saw this from Mphahlele. Saleng, he plays it and then they give it the player. I remember this play, shot from distance, almost a great shot, almost a good shot for Orbit College. I-Kaizer Chiefs, they're able to play going forward, but kunama nerves. That was a great opportunity. Na decision making bafethu kaShabalala bekumele athene laphana a-react immediately, but-ke wahluleka, too slow. Again, nangu umfundo lana bekumele aphase, ufuna ukujika nebhola hold, but phasa, nangu umuntu okuvulele uShabalala. Izinto ekumele azimprove, nangu Ighodaro, powerful player bafethu, wakwazi wagcina walishaya phezu kwamabhala. But i-play yakhe inhle kakhulu because he was able to protect the ball, ukubhulisha ama-defender ahambe nawo. I-strength sakhe sibaluleke kakhulu laphana u-Ighodaro. Basazowa-create ama-opportunities amaningi from yena, because of it's not easy ukuthi ufike umgudluze nje umuyise. Niyambona la uzomake sure to protect ibhola, but just ufune ukushaya fast, but-ke no-keeper bekaza, you can't really blame him because the keeper was coming. But-ke we keep seeing these moments from uVilakazi uconnecta noShabalala. I remember ushaya i-10 yomhlaba wahamba nalo ibhola, fortunately-ke end products nayi le 10 bafethu, nayi le 10 usala kanjalo Madiba bafethu. Player le-Orlando Pirates, by the way, leli just balilonile. Another play laphana from i-midfielder, uCele, I think bese kungena uCele la. Ovele you gotta love uvele bayi bafethu, njalo uyasquare. A good opportunity for Thabiso Munyane outside, a good opportunity, but yeah, the ball was deflected. Yabo, good cross from uvele bayi lihamba phansi futhi. Yes, amabhola amaningi bekawafaka laphana uvele bayi bafethu ahamba phansi, because you understand ukuthi amanye amalo i-strength sabo asikho emoyeni kakhulu. Ighodaro noSilva, but uSilva bengekho, so they can't square for umuntu oyedwa laphana. Good corner, good opportunity. It was not enough to be converted. I remember this moment. But yeah, another great opportunity for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ikwazi ukukapitalize. Another good play. So i-transition yabo laphana ku-counter attacks ba-fast bafethu, ba-quick. Another good play laphana phambili. They wanted to do too much, but it was a good play. Uyabona la uVilakazi, he kept coming bafethu. You wanted just la le opportunity le, he beats a player, ungena nalo. I don't know la bekashutha, because of if beshaya if man lapha bekashaya, if bekaphasa, he was gonna pick umuntu straight, but-ke maybe be-undecided. Nangu Cele, good play from him, eliminating players short outside. A good play, by the way, from Ucele. This is very rare umbone aya laphana phambili, even taking shots. But yeah, good play. He needs to do more of this. Abonise nehanga yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Again, bathola opportunity obt, again uPeterson, a good save from yena. He's always alert because of i-obt ibonile ukuthi ngeke ikwazi ukuthola ama-opportunities amaningi, so izoshaya from a distance. Mthethwa naye bekathi uyashaya lahlala laphana kulokhunjana Ighodaro saved, and then lawela ulo Shabalala-ke washaya phakathi. Second goal for yena, umfana uyazicelebrate-ela. It was his day. Makuyilanga lakhe ilanga lakho. It was a good day for yena at the office. Ukuthi akwazi ukushaya first goal for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ashaya even i-second goal for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Good day at the office for umfana. Amagoli wakhe ayakhuphuka for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sazoba involved. Umthetho laphana bekathi uyashaya. Well, I don't understand lento lokuthi umthetho ushaya from a distance. Akanayo i-shot accuracy. Akusi ilo izinto maybe ukuthi maybe singasho ukuthi uyakwazi ukuzenza ukuthi ashaye, but-ke uvela ashaye from a distance isikhathi esiningi. Izinto ekumele angazenzi, azame ukuziminimize. Preferred ukuthi aphase than ukuthi avele ashaye nje, cause uba wasteful. Nayo i-obt laphana esho why kusavele kanje. I-obt nayo-ke ithole i-opportunity ukuthi ishaye phakathi. Mawubheka i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, nayi le moment Eden McCarthy uhluleka ukuread ibhola, is flat-footed in fact, akabheki ukuthi ubani osemuva kwakhe. Ujampa, uyabona ukuthi ngeke alibambe nokulibamba ibhola, or ngeke akwazi nokuliheda, but-ke akazange ukuthayima ispace sakhe, abheke nanokuthi ubani osemuva kwakhe. What a good goal from ulokhunjana, goal of the day, bafethu, of the week in fact, for uVilakazi. World class goal for umfana omncane laphana. Teach abantu abadala, yabafundisa, teach makhelwane. Celebration yakhe, funa amamitha, ngifuna amagumba. But yeah, it was a good play from Kaizer Chiefs. Ba-create ama-opportunities amaningi kakhulu. Good technique, just nje place ibhola kuphela, place ibhola, bit of power, but placement is very important. Ukwazile ukuliplace kahle kakhulu umfana. Again, Orbit College be-expose lana i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Double saves from double saves from uPeterson. Good saves from yena, but yeah, i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, bafethu, if i-orbit izo-create ama-opportunities kanje, cause akumelanga babathole balele. Akumelanga babathole balele. Well, obviously-ke angeke udefend 100%. Another good move from Ighodaro, missed. No, bekungasuye Ighodaro lo, bekuwu-Silva. I remember this one. Yeah, bekuwu-Silva. Silva got a good chance ukuthi akore, qeda ukungena umfana, but he was not able to convert their chances. Good speed from Sirino, good pass to Shabalala, could not trap the ball, yawela ku-Silva. Silva lishaya phakathi-ke. Goal lakhe number 4. Khona enye moment engavelanga la, uSilva uthole enye chance ukuthi akora another goal for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but yeah, he could not convert that golden opportunity laphana. But yeah, a good play for, I thought this was an assist as bafethu from uShabalala, but-ke but decided otherwise with no, it's not an assist. Kuzoba